Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get hold of some Ethereum, Ether and XRP tokens, which represents the Ripple blockchain. So my process of acquiring these two cryptocurrencies is actually not directly. You have to have you go through two accounts. The first one is local Bitcoin account and the second one is the Coinbase account. So first of all, if you don't have an account in either of them, make sure you create one and have it verified so that you can begin this process. Once you have the accounts verified, the first thing you need to do, the first step, is actually to go to your Coinbase, your local Bitcoins account. This is my local Bitcoins account. So at the moment, I can see the cost of one Bitcoin is 2.7 million. So once you've logged into your account, what you need to do is first to buy some Bitcoins. So this is the page where you can buy the Bitcoins. I have actually done a video before showing you the process of purchasing Bitcoins on local Bitcoins. I've linked it on this video, and if you don't know how to do it, just go and check the video, and then once you are ready, you can come back and continue with the process. Once you have some Bitcoins, as you can see, I have Bitcoins on my account. So what you need to do is first to go to your wallet, and what you want to do is to send Bitcoins from local Bitcoins to Coinbase account. As you can see, this is the amount of Bitcoins I have in my account, and what I need to do is to first to input the receiving, you can see here, the receiving Bitcoin address. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Coinbase account. So this is my Coinbase account. I also have some Bitcoins in Coinbase account, but what you want to do is first to fund it if you don't have any account. So click on fund account once you have logged in your account into your account. So click on fund account. If you actually try to access your account through a computer, you're not going to see that button for fund account. So if you want to make it easier for yourself, just download the Coinbase account and the Coinbase app and log in into your account. So as you can see, this is my the address that I need in order to receive Bitcoins. So I've copied it, and then I'm going back to my local Bitcoins account. So once you have the address, just copy paste here. Then the second thing you need to put is the amount of Bitcoins. So for instance, I want to move 0.001 Bitcoins. Next, you have to put, you can put some description if you have anything to say. I don't have anything to say, and this one shows you the amount of Bitcoin, the amount in Kenyan shillings of the Bitcoins that you want to send. So once you've done this, just click on continue, and the Bitcoins will be transferred to your account. It actually takes a few minutes. Okay, not minutes, but a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds for the money to be received in your Coinbase account. I don't want to send any money right now, any cryptocurrencies to my account, because I already have I have some money in my Coinbase. So what I'm going to do, I'll assume that you have already sent the money to your local Bitcoin, to your Coinbase account. So let's go back to Coinbase. Now that you have sent the money, what you're supposed to see is you're going to receive the money, the Bitcoins in your account, and then you can actually click on portfolio. So this is the amount of money I have already, the amount of Bitcoins that I have already here. You can see the value has been appreciating over the past few weeks. So you can see also that the trading activity, okay, let's see what, when I bought my accounts, when I bought some Bitcoins, I don't want to check there. Okay, so now that you have some bitcoins in your account, in your Coinbase account, what you need to do next is to click on this button, this blue button. Now this blue button enables you to transfer to move the value of to buy other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. So what you need to do first is to click on convert. So if you want to get some Ether, this tab shows you the money is being converted from Bitcoin to Ether. So if you want to buy some Ether, this is already okay. What you need to do is to add the amount that you want to convert. For instance, if you want to convert 2,000, okay, not 20,000, but maybe 2,000. So just enter the amount, preview, convert. So this is it's showing you the order preview. You're going to buy 0.09 Ethereum using Bitcoin, because the exchange rate at the moment is 1 Bitcoin is equals to 38.13 Ethereum. The Coinbase fee is actually 0, and the total amount of Bitcoins you're going to use are 0.007. This is for me. So you just put the amount of money that you want to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Also, if you want to convert from Bitcoin to XRP, click on this part and then select XRP. Then enter the amount of Bitcoins that you want to spend, not the amount but the value in Kenyan shillings. Then preview, convert. So I've actually previewed. Now I'm going to pay Bitcoins. I'm going to pay for the 50 XRPs using Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin is equals to 66,000 XRPs, and the Coinbase fee is 0, and the total amount of Bitcoin is that. So that is actually just once you are ready to do it, just click on convert now. I'm not going to click because I don't want to buy XRP right now. So that's all. That's a very simple process. I've done this before, and as you can see, my Ethereum is loaded with about 6,900 shillings, and my XRP wallet is loaded with 1,600 shillings. All I did was to convert. I just converted from Bitcoin to XRP, which anybody can do right now. So that's all for now. That's the simple process of buying some Ethereum coins, Ether or XRP, which represents the Ripple cryptocurrency blockchain. So that's the simple process. Good luck. Not good luck, but all the best as you get hold of some Bitcoins. Thank you.